Matt Williams with the Turf and Boards. I'm here with Colorado Blizzard player Stibe Torres. Steve, heck of a game. Tell us about it.
It was a very tough game. They're very talented. We struggled. It was very competitive. I believe they gave up toward the end, but it was a really tough game for us.
Yeah, it was a tough game. What a battle. Exciting for the fans. Big 9-6 victory. Last week, one of the stars of the game, I think the second star of the game, and you get it done on both ends of the field. You know, you're back playing defense, you're forward attacking, you're dribbling, taking players on. That's what the fans want to see. They want to see excitement. 2 huge goals in the fourth quarter to kind of widen the gap. Tell us about those goals. How did it feel?
I feel great. Coming back on them and then scoring in the last minutes. It's really big. It was hard work that we had to do, a little push after, but we got the win. We got the results that we really wanted.
So what's up next? I guess you guys are probably going to be training a little bit over the holidays?
We're actually planning on just taking the holidays week off and then just rest, and then we'll just come back right after New Year's Eve. We're going to prepare for what's coming next. We're traveling, so yeah.
And then, so you're on the road for a couple, and then you got a big homestand, I think, back-to-back early February, and then the following weekend. So I think 3 games homestand. That should be nice.
Yeah, that's going to be interesting. It's going to be tough because it's going to be back-to-back. But we got the right players. We just got to work hard and we'll just try to get the results that we really want.
Okay, congratulations on the big win tonight.
Thank you so much.